I got your mouth moving,
You got this.
woman.
What I got is
Well,
losing
then,
pieces I don't
that's-
want to lose. By taking pieces.
I think you should move this one, this pointy one right here, just
The one
cause.
that looks like a nipple.
Yes.
Are you retarded? I really think you might be retarded.
All he wants to know, Navarre.
Just a little bit. And I'm the one in college, wasting government money, but still, that one.
That one's mine. That's a different one you're pointing.
Sorry.
Whatever.
It's not even.
Just saying that.
Something tells me you're not doing so good, guy.
It's okay. At least I know how to play. Or at least we know how to play.
Whereas I don't.
I don't either. So.
Even though I have like a glass chess set at home. I don't even know why.